Take a moment to meditate on all the things that make up your life. Close your eyes, but open up your mind. Focus on this list on your mind. Now, on this list, begin to write down the things you are grateful for, no matter how small, how irrelevant they might seem to you right now. Remember to write down these little things that make you smile. Now meditate on those memories that made you smile every time you think about them, and be grateful. Now, I want you to open your eyes and feel the smile on your face. And now you have more things that made you smile. Be grateful as you step out and see the possibilities. Now, I feel all the love I gave out coming back to me in multiple folds. Love from my family, friends, relatives, my enemies, the animals, plants, even nature. Yes, what an amazing moment. I will pause for a moment and allow the feeling of love and acceptance to wash over me and sink into my heart. Take a deep sigh of relief with this mindset that I am love. I bring forth love. I win my battles with love, and I change my world only with love.